results and analysis. And if it is good to go, then deploy it. So you see that algorithms. I've listed few algorithms here. My business problem is, as I said, customer churn prediction. Customer will stay or leave. Telecom customer. I can use any of these three algorithms, or I can use all the three algorithms and find out the right algorithm. Okay. So key tools, what exactly we do in machine learning, as I said, either we classify or we predict, which means regression, or we do unsupervised. Either way, cluster or dimensionality reduction. Business use cases, you can look at cross-selling, upselling, dynamic pricing. Especially dynamic pricing can happen on flight tickets. Always happens. It keeps increasing the price. The more number of times you hit their website from the same IP domain, it keeps fluctuating. So predicting lifetime value of a customer. So what is the lifetime value of the customer? Which means, is this a good customer, a bad customer? So then there is healthcare. See, one thing we must understand: every business produces data, man, and you have to apply data science everywhere. Why? Because data is flooded like anything, and it's been stored continuously, constantly. We've been storing. Best example is your smartphone. You're listening to my session, but your smartphone is continuously running their applications, and the applications are continuously hitting the database with their information. So after the session, again you will open your phone and start checking on hitting their applications. Every click has a count, and that will be stored in their databases, and then further it will be analyzed irrespective of their business domain. So there are more use cases: manufacturing, predictive maintenance or condition, warranty reserve estimation. So demand forecasting, especially employee turnover prediction, employee overtime prediction, and best employee prediction. All that, and especially manufacturing companies always run out of resources because they go by shift based, and there is always a labor shortage in the manufacturing companies. So you can do that labor shortage prediction. So retailing, segmentation, segment the market and target their particular audience by upselling, cross-selling strategies. So you can apply it to each and every application. How companies are currently using AI? They are doing analysis of data because they are trying to understand their own business problems first. Then only they can help their clients. So email marketing, optimization testing, image recognition, automated campaigns, content creation, programmatic advertising. So you can see so many such things on your Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So much of mediums were there. This is meant for marketing, healthcare use cases, diagnosis and treatment, computer vision, especially breast cancers, lung cancers, heart diseases, and any bone cancers. It will be automatically identified in your body by looking at the data of your previous reports. So they are trying to use AI. So precision medicine that they are trying to do. So they want to eradicate the problem of cancers. This by 2025, 2030. This will definitely happen. But complete eradication might not happen, but at least some things will be changed. Advanced level of medicine will come.